Welcome back. If you are new to managing your computer storage, you might not know that you can easily change where your files are saved. In this quick video, we will guide beginners through the simple steps of redirecting your Documents folder from the C drive to the D drive. Here is how to do it. First, press the Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. On the left sidebar, look for this PC and double-click to open it. Next, double-click your local disk D drive to open its contents. Now right-click on any empty space, hover over New, and select Folder. Name this new folder Documents and press Enter. With our new folder ready, let's look for the original folder. In the left panel of File Explorer, find your original Documents folder. Right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. Inside the Properties window, click on the Location tab at the top. Next, click the Move button. A browse window will appear. Navigate to your D drive, click on the new Documents folder we just created, and then click Select Folder. To save the changes, click Apply. A pop-up message will appear asking if you want to move all files from the old location to the new one. Click Yes to confirm the transfer. Once the file transfer is complete, click OK to close the window. And that's it. Your System Documents folder is now successfully moved to your D drive, freeing up valuable space on your main drive. Now let's test if our new setup works. To do this, we will use Apache OpenOffice. For those who don't know, OpenOffice is a completely free, open-source Office suite that is a great alternative to Microsoft Office. If you want a complete tutorial on how to download and install OpenOffice for free, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because we will be covering that in our very next video. Let's open OpenOffice. From the Start menu, click on Text Document. Once the blank page opens, I will simply type the word Test and make the font larger so you can see it clearly on the screen. Now, let's save it. Click on File in the top menu, then select Save. In the pop-up window, you can name the file whatever you like. For this tutorial, we will name it Test File and click Save. With that done, we can go ahead and close the application. Let's verify if the file automatically went to our D drive. Open this PC from your desktop, double-click on Local Disk D, and open our Documents folder. As you can see, our test file is right here. When we open it, there is our test word. Success! Our system is now automatically saving all new documents directly to the D drive. By the way, if you also want to move your desktop, downloads, pictures, music, or videos folders to free up even more space, you can follow this exact same procedure for each of them. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. By the way, if your computer doesn't have a D drive yet, or you don't know how to create one, don't worry. We have a complete step-by-step video on how to create a Drive D partition in Windows 10 and 11. I have placed the link to that video in the description box below so you can check it out. Finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming guide on installing OpenOffice. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.